written by Joanna Gaines, Homebody, a guide to creating spaces you never want to leave. Hi everyone, are you ready to add a touch of modern elegance to your home? Today we're going to embark on a fun and rewarding DIY project, crafting a stylish cement bowl. Don't worry if you're new to the world of DIY. This project is perfect for beginners. This project is not only easy on the wallet, but it also allows you to unleash your creativity. You'll be amazed at how a simple material like cement can be transformed into a beautiful and unique piece of decor. Let's gather our supplies and get started on this exciting journey. Before we dive into the creative process, let's make sure we have all the necessary materials. A well-prepared workspace is the first step to a successful project. Don't worry, most of these items are readily available at your local hardware store. From basic tools to specialized materials, you'll find everything you need in one place. As you walk through the aisles, you'll notice a variety of tools and materials. It's like a treasure hunt for DIY enthusiasts. This is the base of our bowl. Cement mix is versatile and easy to work with, making it perfect for DIY projects. Choose a standard cement mix for a classic look. It's reliable and gives a smooth finish to your creations. We'll use water to create the right consistency for our cement mixture. The amount of water you add will affect the strength and texture of the final product. A sturdy bucket is essential for combining the cement and water thoroughly. Make sure it's large enough to mix without spilling. This will determine the shape of your bowl. The mold you choose will directly influence the final appearance of your project. Get creative. You can use a variety of items like plastic bowls, balloons, or even leaves. Each mold offers a unique texture and design. Just make sure your chosen mold is waterproof and can withstand the weight of the cement. This ensures that your project holds its shape during the curing process. Protect your hands from the cement with a pair of durable gloves. Cement can be harsh on the skin, so it's important to wear protection. Safety first. A dust mask will shield you from any cement particles while you mix. Always prioritize your health and safety when working on DIY projects. Finally, double-check your list to ensure you have everything you need. Being organized will save you time and make the process smoother. Now, let's get our hands a little dusty and mix our cement. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. The key is to achieve a smooth, pourable consistency similar to cake batter. 1. Start by adding the dry cement mix to your mixing bucket. Refer to the instructions on your cement bag for the recommended water to cement ratio. 1. Gradually pour in small amounts of water while mixing continuously. Avoid adding too much water at once, as this can make the mixture too runny. 1. Mix thoroughly until all the dry cement is incorporated and you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. This may take a few minutes of stirring. If needed, add a bit more water to get the perfect consistency. This is where the real fun begins. Adding color and texture to your cement bowl can transform it from a simple craft into a stunning piece of art. Let's infuse your cement bowl with your unique style by experimenting with colors and textures. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be truly spectacular. Add a small amount of concrete pigment to your cement mixture before pouring it into the mold. This will give your bowl a vibrant hue that stands out. You can find concrete pigments in a variety of colors at most craft stores. From bold reds to calming blues, there's a shade for every taste. Experiment with different shades to create a bowl that complements your home decor. Mix and match colors to find the perfect combination. Consider pressing various materials into the inner surface of your mold before adding the cement. This will add an extra layer of detail to your creation. You can use items like lace fabric, leaves, or other textured materials to create intricate designs, or even bubble wrap to create unique patterns. The texture will give your bowl a distinctive look and feel. Just make sure the materials you choose can withstand the weight of the cement without getting crushed. This ensures your design remains intact and beautiful. Finally, smooth the surface of your bowl for a polished finish. Your unique, colorful and textured cement bowl is now ready to enhance your home decor. Enjoy your new masterpiece and the personal touch it brings to your space. Section 5. Shaping your vision, the molding process. With our customized cement mixture ready, it's time to give our bowl its shape. This is where your creativity truly comes to life. This step requires a steady hand and a bit of patience. Take your time to ensure every detail is perfect. Prepare your mold by lightly greasing the inner surface with cooking oil or petroleum jelly. This simple step is crucial for a smooth finish. This will prevent the cement from sticking and make the demolding process much smoother later on. You'll thank yourself for this extra bit of preparation. Slowly pour your cement mixture into the mold. Pouring too quickly can cause air pockets and uneven surfaces. To avoid air bubbles, gently tap the mold on your work surface a few times to release any trapped air. This ensures a solid and smooth finish. Use a spatula or the back of a spoon to spread the cement evenly throughout the mold. This helps in achieving a uniform thickness. Make sure the cement reaches all the edges and corners for a polished look. Attention to these details will make your final product stand out. Finally, smooth the surface of the cement with gentle strokes. This final touch will give your bowl a professional and refined appearance. Allow the cement to dry completely. This may take several hours or even overnight, depending on the thickness of your bowl. Section 6. Patience is key drying and curing your cement bowl. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Allow your cement bowl to dry and cure completely before moving on to the next step. This process can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours, depending on the size and thickness of your bowl. Find a safe spot where your bowl can dry undisturbed. Choose a location that is cool, dry, and out of direct sunlight. Resist the temptation to touch or move the bowl during the drying process. Disturbing the cement while it's still curing can cause cracks or imperfections. Lightly mist the bowl with water occasionally to ensure proper curing. After the curing period, check your bowl to ensure it's fully set and ready for the next step. Section 7. Unveiling your creation. Demolding and smoothing. After patiently waiting, it's time to reveal your beautiful creation. Carefully demold your cement bowl, gently peeling away the mold from the cement. If you used a flexible mold like a plastic bowl, you can gently squeeze the sides to loosen the cement. Once demolded, inspect your bowl for any rough edges or imperfections. Use a piece of sandpaper to smooth out any uneven surfaces. Admire your perfectly smoothed cement bowl, ready to be a stylish addition to your home decor. Section 8. The finishing touches, sealing and decorating. Your cement bowl is almost ready for its grand debut. To protect your creation and enhance its longevity, apply a concrete sealer to the entire surface. This will prevent staining and make your bowl water resistant. Once the sealer is dry, you can further personalize your bowl with decorative touches. Consider adding a coat of metallic paint to the rim for a touch of glam, or embellishing the exterior with beads or mosaic tiles. Enjoy your stylish new creation. Section 9. Conclusion. Share your masterpiece. Congratulations on crafting your very own stylish cement bowl. We hope this project inspired you to embrace the beauty of DIY and add a personalized touch to your home decor. Don't forget to share your creations with us. We can't wait to see what you come up with.